Good evening. This is Luke Holmquist here at the Earthquake Forecast Center. It is 9:38 in the evening on Wednesday, April 21st, 2021. Wednesday, April 21st, 9:38 in the evening here in California. And let's go to the warning in California right away. And you can see here this large spike in risk here is on the 22nd into the 23rd. And we're looking for a 5.0 to 6.0 earthquake in Southern California, most likely. It could hit anywhere in California, but most likely in Southern California near Los Angeles, and more likely even closer to the Yorba Linda area. So look for that in Southern California. And let's take a journey around the world forecast. We'll get back to this in a minute. Starting with Anchorage. Anchorage risk is low from now through the next few days. And Hawaii. Hawaii risk is low from now in the next few days. And Seattle, Washington. The risk is moderate risk from now through the next few days. And let's go to Athens, Greece. Athens, Greece has a strong spike in risk here early on the 22nd. So look for a 5.0 to 6.0 earthquake in Greece, most likely just north of Athens, but it could hit anywhere in Greece, right on that spike in risk on the morning of the 22nd. All right, and Bogota, Colombia. Bogota is low risk through the period here, low risk right now. And Puerto Rico, I'm sorry, that was moderate risk, especially because of this peak here on the 23rd, just a moderate risk for the next few days. And Puerto Rico is low risk. These are strong spikes of risk, but overall, the overall risk level is low risk. Costa Rica is also low risk from now through the end of the period. And Croatia is at moderate risk level, especially on this spike here on the 23rd, moderate risk level. And Cyprus is, we had some spikes here. We had some quakes in southeast Greece on these spikes, but the risk level is low. No, I'm sorry, it's moderate in Cyprus. And in Quito, Ecuador, the risk is low from now in the next couple of days. El Salvador, the risk is low. Guatemala, the risk is moderate. We have some spikes here on the 23rd and a peak in risk here on the 25th and 26th, but kind of a moderate risk there. And Iceland is a low risk in Iceland. And even though this looks impressive here, this overall, the risk is low for the next few days. We still could get something small, 3.0 to 3.5 on some of these peaks. And Jakarta, Indonesia, the risk is low for the next few days. Italy, the risk is very high in east central Italy on this spike in risk on the 22nd. This is late on the 21st into the 22nd. So the next 24 hours, the risk is very high in east central Italy near Perugia in the province of Umbria. And then in Tokyo, we have a very high risk in the northern part of Japan, which could produce a 6.0 earthquake or larger. And you can see that spike in risk right here. Late on the 22nd into the 23rd. So we'll see what happens there in Japan. Strong spike there, 6.0 earthquake is possible north of Tokyo in northern Japan, maybe near Sendai, Japan, but northern Japan. Lima, Peru, the risk is moderate risk. They have a spike in risk for the next 24 hours right here. There was a 4.0 just south of Lima just a little bit ago. but still a moderate risk for the next 24 hours. New Zealand, the risk is low for the next few days. Right here, this is a low risk here. And Managua, Nicaragua. This risk is moderate risk, and coming up on the 26th, the risk starts to rise again on the 26th. Philippines, the risk is high risk in the Philippines, especially toward the 24th and the 25th. We have some high spikes in risk there. So we'll be keeping track of this. We'll watch this closely in the next couple of days. That's on the 24th and the 25th. And then in Taiwan, the risk is also very high right now on the 23rd. Well, actually, this is the late on the 22nd to the 23rd, which could produce a 6.0 earthquake around the Taiwan, Ryukyu Islands area. And in Istanbul, the risk is very high right now as well, right around the 22nd. So something should happen either in the most likely just northwest of Athens, Greece, on this spike in risk, but also the risk is very high in Istanbul area as well. Once again, in the Los Angeles area, the risk is kind of centered here down in the southwest portion of the state, from Santa Barbara to Los Angeles to the Salton Sea. The highest risk is centered right around Los Angeles and southeast of LA near Yorba Linda, but could hit anywhere in Southern California. And the risk actually extends up to southern San Francisco Bay, but most likely right around Los Angeles and the Yorba Linda, Irvine, Ontario area during the next, well, this is the 23rd and the 24th, 22nd and the 23rd. So late Thursday into Friday is when this quake should hit here. All right. Thanks for stopping by today. Again, the highest risk areas are in around the world are in Los Angeles right now, where a 5.0 to 6.0 earthquake is likely on Thursday night into Friday. And in Tokyo, we could get a 6.0 earthquake or larger in northern Japan during the next 24 hours. Athens and Istanbul, Greece, and Istanbul, Turkey, that area, a 5.0 to 6.0 is possible northwest of Athens during the next 24 hours. And Italy, East Central Italy, we could get a significant earthquake in East Central Italy during the next 24 hours. And then in Santiago, Chile, I don't know if we looked at that or not. Let's look at that real quick. Yeah, I think we went by that. Chile, we have a very, very strong spike in risk here on the 25th and the 26th. So we'll keep an eye on that as we get closer to that. All right. Thanks again, and stay safe in Los Angeles and northern Japan, Athens area, Athens, Greece, and East Central Italy. And we will talk again tomorrow, Thursday night. And we'll keep you updated on all the quakes, as many areas around the world as we can. And we'll talk to you again tomorrow. Thank you so much for stopping by, and God bless. See you later.